Hello, kindergarten. It's time for some math. Lesson 8-2. We're going to be doing a lot of close listening and paying attention, and we have to look at some pictures to tell whether or not it is adding or subtracting. So remember, the first thing we always do with our paper, even though we're not at school, is write our name. All right. So now I want you to just listen, and then I want you to tell me if the answer is going to be 2 plus 2 equals 4 or 4 minus 2 equals 2. And it says 4 penguins play outside. So we have 4 penguins playing outside, and then 2 of them go into the cave. How many penguins are left outside? So is that an adding or subtracting problem? There are 4 penguins outside, and then 2 of them leave and go into the cave. How many are left outside? A little hint is whenever you hear the word how many are left, or hear the phrase how many are left, that means it's probably subtraction. So there was 4, 2 left. How many are left? So is it an adding problem or subtraction? It is a subtraction problem. Good. Look at that. We're already down to 1 page. Same thing here. See how we're going to be looking at a lot of pictures today? And see how it shows that the penguin is swimming towards the other group? And there's a plus sign. So we have 4 here plus the 1 altogether equals 5. Now look. Look what this one penguin's doing. What's this arrow showing? It's going away from the group. So he's leaving. So he's taking away, or we're taking away 1 penguin from this group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because he was a part of it. And he's leaving. So minus, how many are leaving? 1. And how many are left? 4. Good. You can go to the next page. Now this one, all you have to do is it says look at the pictures to determine if it's adding or subtracting. So remember, is this arrow going towards the other cube or away from it? It's going towards it, right? So we have 1. They're going to go together or join. So we're going plus, then how many are here? 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1 plus 3, put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our equation reads 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now here they're all together, and look what this arrow's doing. It's pulling it apart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right off the bat. And how many are going to leave? 1, 2, 3. Is this adding or subtracting? Taken away, so it's a minus sign. 4 minus 3. We can cross all these off. How many are left? Just 1. Then we have 2 and 2. Look where the arrow's going. We have 4 all together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of them are leaving. How many are left over? 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now look at this arrow. Okay, kindergarten, it's all about looking where the arrow's at. So we have 2 right away. Oh, I can't write 2 like that. So we got 2 right away. This is joining, so it's a plus, and we have 1, 2. 2 plus 2 all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next page. All right. I want to see if you can do number 4 by yourself, and we'll do 5. All right. Number 5 says, have students decide whether they want the cubes to show addition or subtraction and write an equation to match. Then you're going to color in the cubes using the same number as that equation they just wrote. So what they're asking you to do, kindergarten, is kind of like in number 4. See how these 3 are getting added and those same 3 are getting taken away? So here we have 1. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 getting added to this one. So we have 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the same thing now. We have our 1 pink. I don't have a pink, so I'll just go red. And then we have our 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our 4 yellows. So we have to color this one the same as this. And we see how they were adding right away. So now we need to show the same thing, except for we're taking away. We're doing subtraction. So we're going to circle the 4 and then draw our little arrow away. And then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away or minus 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take 4 away, how many are left over outside of the circle? Just 1. We'll flip to the next page now. And it's all the same thing, it looks like. Let's take a look at the next page. I want you to do this page by yourself today, kindergarten. All right? I want you to do 445 and 446 by yourself. And then down here on number 3, and number 4, you can either use counters at home to show it, or you can use your cubes at home that I sent home, or you can draw me a picture of 3 and 4, and you need to just draw and match the equation. So here we have an addition. So that means our two blocks are going to come together. All right. And then here we have a subtraction. So our blocks are going to be split apart, right? Sound good? All right. Hopefully everybody has a good time with math. If you have any questions, you can email me or have mom or dad or grandpa grandma email me or message me on Class Dojo, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope everybody has a great day.